वंदे जगत्कारणं वंदे पन्नगभूषणं शशिधरं वंदे वसूनां पतिं वंदे सूर्यशशाङ्कवह्निनयनं वंदे मुकुन्दप्रियं वंदे भक्तजन आश्रयं च वरदं वंदे भक्तजन आश्रयं च वरदं वंदे शिवं शंकरं. Friends, time is endless. Ananta Kala, it has no end. Anadi, it has no beginning. It is continuous, it is ceaseless, it is persistent, it does go on and on. Time is endless and it is infinite. Anantam, Anadi, endless, beginningless. Adi, Madhya, Anta, Rahita. It has no beginning, it has no middle, it has no end. It is continuous process, time. Space also is Vishwam, Ananta Vishwam. It is so vast, it is infinite. You cannot measure the entire cosmos, and it is endless. Infinite space, infinite time, endless time, limitless space. And in this time and in this space, events, episodes, incidents are endless. There are so many incidents taking place everywhere at every point of time. When I say everywhere, at every place, space, at every point of time, throughout the time, some action or other is taking place. Nahi kaschit kshanamapi, even for a fraction of a second, there is no absence of activity. Activity is continuously taking place. And these activities, incidents, episodes, events are units in time, units in space. Mangal Mandir is space. Time 8 to 8:45 time. Within this space, within this time, an event is taking place. That's called Maitri Milan. Maitri Milan is the event, and in the endless time, from a particular point of time to another particular point of time, 45 minutes, it is going on. It's a unit in a particular place. Time is endless, space is endless, events are endless, and these events are units. In life, marriage is a unit. Your education in the university is an event, an episode, an experience, a unit. From birth to death is another unit, an experience, an event. And in this infinite universe, my occupation is only pinpoint. I just require 2 square feet or 1.5 square feet to sit. What is the plinth area of the entire globe, cosmos? How much place do I occupy? Similarly, in the entire time, I live for 100 years, 90 years, endless time, my life is for a short unit. Similarly, our presence in Maitri Milan session is for very minute time in a minute place. But each event is important. And each episode, each event is the effect of a particular previous cause. And this is the cause for future effect. Every event has the effect of the previous cause, and it is the cause to the future effect. Thus, each event is significant. In our own lives, in the Mahabharata, you have Kurukshetra war for 18 days. 18 days is the duration time. The place, Kurukshetra. The event, war. In this war, some people have not taken part. Some people have taken part. In the Maitri Milan session, some people attend, some people do not attend. What they do in the rooms, God knows. Not taking part in the educational activity, what are we doing? Some people go out of the class and sit under the greenwood tree. Doing what? Nothing. So it depends upon our attitude to take part or not to take part in any event. There are a few people who did not take part in Kurukshetra Yuddha war. Number one, Balaram. He is the elder brother of Lord Krishna. He has strong likes and dislikes, preferences, prejudices. He loves Krishna. He does not love so much Pandavas. He loves them, but not so much. His love is for Duryodhana. Duryodhana on the Kaurava side is loved by Balaram. Krishna on the Pandava side is loved by Balaram. If he goes to Duryodhana side, he has to fight against Krishna. No, I don't want. If he is on the Pandava side, he has to kill Duryodhana. No, I don't want. So you are unable to decide which part you have to take because of your preferences and prejudices, likes and dislikes. What do? You withdraw. You resign. You go away. You run away. You escape. Whatever word you call it. Balarama has gone on pilgrimage. He did not take part in the fight. Number two. There is a boy called or a man called Rukmi. He is Rukmini's brother. That means Krishna's brother-in-law, wife's brother. This fellow does not like Pandavas, does not like Kauravas. He wants to project himself when the governor comes here, when the minister comes here. It's a very big event, very important event. I am not interested in the event. I am interested in myself because there is a video camera, Murali sitting. He takes the photograph. I want to rub shoulders with the governor and I am seen in the photograph. I am not interested in the governor. I am not interested in my criminal. I am not interested in the function. What is it I am interested in? My photograph should come in Times of India along with others. This Rukmi is not interested in Pandavas, he is not interested in Kauravas, he is interested in himself. Tomorrow in history, people write, Rukmi has taken part in the Mahabharata Yuddha. He wants his projection. He wants his photograph to be highlighted. He wants to take part in the activities, egoistic. And therefore this Rukmi went to Pandavas. My dear Pandavas, I want to fight on your side. Pandavas said, you get out, we don't want your help. Then he went to Duryodhana. Those Pandavas are useless fellows. I wanted to give my help. They did not consider me to be very strong. My army is very big. My weapons are innumerable. I want to help you, Master Duryodhana. Please accept me. No, I don't want to get out. He who is egoistic is not wanted anywhere. He does not love them. He does not love Kauravas. He loves himself. Such people may not be acceptable anywhere in the freedom struggle. I am not interested in the freedom struggle. I am interested in myself. This is represented by the character Rukmi. He is refused by Pandavas, he is refused by Kauravas, therefore he has not been able to take part in the Yuddha, he has gone away. First Balaram, he loves both. He was unable to decide. Likes and dislikes are a botheration for a person to take part in any event. Now, Rukmi could not, because he is in love of himself. Third person, there is a man called Barbarika. This Barbarika has special weapons from Lord Shiva. He is unconquerable, he is invincible, his weapons are very, very powerful, and he is the son of Ghatotkacha in Mahabharata. He makes a promise to his mother, Mummy, I have special weapons. Whoever is losing in the war, whoever is failing in the examination, whoever is being defeated, I shall support him. That means when A side is losing, he will support, B will be killed. And then when they are becoming weak, he will go there, this side will be powerful. Whenever he fights, the opposite side will be coming down. That is his special gift. Sri Krishna thought, if this fellow is given an opportunity to take part in the war, when he is on the Kaurava side, he will kill Pandavas. When the Pandavas are becoming weak, he will come here and he will kill them. The total result is both the armies. I will give you a small example. In volleyball, one side is losing. Then he will go and play on the side of the losing side, and these people will come down. Then he will play this side, these people will come down. What is the result? Either draw or no success to anywhere or total failure. This fellow is useless, and therefore he is asked to get out and be a spectator. He did not take part. For Vidura, Vidura is very, very unhappy with the Yuddha. This is a wrong Yuddha, Adharma Yuddha. I don't like this. I am resigning, I am getting out. If you resign, can you stop the war? There are people who resign from the post. That means it's a weakness. You are unable to face. You are unable to set right. If I resign, can I stop the war? If I resign, can the mess improve? If I resign, can the administration improve? That means I am accepting my defeat. I am useless. Vidura has not taken part in the war because he said it is adharma. It is unrighteous. I am not fighting. I am resigning. Another fellow, politics, Karna. He said, as long as this Bhishma is the chief of the army staff, as long as Jagadish Chandra Bose is there, as long as Subhash Chandra Bose is there, as long as Pandit Nehru is there, as long as Mahatma Gandhi is there, as long as Mr. X is there, I will not fight. Karna did not fight first 10 days. As long as Bhishma was the chief, Karna did not fight. Political, personal. Cause I am not interested. I am interested in myself. I must be given importance. I must be given credit. That Ahankara made Karna not to fight, and he withdrew from the fight. Bhishma fought, 10th day he fell, then only Karna came to the battlefield. There are people who are not interested in the cause event. You see 3 big people, yogis. Number 1, Krishna. Yogishwara. He is interested in Dushta Sikshana, Sista Rakshana. And for that, whatever may be the difficulties, I shall fight. Jnani he is. He knows the truth. He has the responsibility. He does his duty. He wants to set right, balance. Dharma is to be removed. Dharma is to be established. Balancing. Kartum, akartum, anyatha kartum shaktaha. It is Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sri Krishna is the great Jnani. He is a combination of all yogas, but Jnana is topmost in him. All the yogas are not watertight compartments. Each person has other yogas also, but one yoga is very predominantly seen, that is Krishna Jnani. Bhishma. He has a principle. Whoever comes first will be given protection. Duryodhana went, fell at his feet. Tata, you should fight on my side. Yes, I will fight. But remember, I love you, my grandsons. I love you, the grandsons of mine, Pandavas also. I want to kill all these 105. Acceptable? Yes, sir. Na aham kruto bhavo karma yogi. Fighting for the sake of fighting. It's immaterial who wins, who loses. I fight because the Raja Dharma is to fight, and the principle is whoever comes first will be served. And he is a great karma yogi. Jnani also, bhakti also. And you find Arjuna. Karishye vachanam tava. Krishna, what you ask me to do, I will do. Nimitta matram bhava sabyasachi. You are only an instrument in the freedom struggle. You are only an instrument in the Maitri Milan session. You are only a tool in the functioning of the Prashanti Kutir. Whatever you can contribute without affection, without dislike, without preference, without prejudice, as an offering to the Almighty, yat karoshi, yat asnasi, yat zuhoshi, tad asiyat, yat tapasyasi kauntaya, tat kurushva madarpanam. Whatever you drink, whatever you do, whatever you fight, whatever you contribute, whatever you read, whatever tapasya you make, do it as an offering to me. And Krishna has been given the promise by Arjuna, I will do whatever you nasto moha smrutir labdha stitosmi gata sandeha karishye vachanam tava. Krishna, all my delusion, all my moha is removed. I am able to establish myself as a good devotee. Without any doubt, I will do whatever you ask me to do. Three people have taken part. One as Jnani, another as Karma Yogi, and another as Bhakta. Events, whether they are good or bad, it's immaterial. Event, participation in the event, that is Bhishma. With a purpose, Dushta Shikshana, Sister Rakshana, that is Krishna, as an instrument in the mighty act. We have all come to Prashanti Kutir, and this is a wonderful organization. We are all in the Maitri Milan session. There is no meaning in running away from it. It is a type of withdrawal. Maybe I give an example of Maitri Milan, any other incident in the life. Approach the incidents, approach the events as a yogi. Sri Krishna is a yogi. His attitude towards Yuddha is Dushta Shikshana, Sister Rakshana. Bhishma's attitude towards Yuddha is fighting for the sake of fighting. It's immaterial whether you lose it or gain it. And in the case of Arjuna, my duty is to obey the orders of the mighty Lord Krishna. I shall do whatever I can without any preference or prejudice. Nimitta matram bhava sadhyasachi, Krishna has said, and karishye vachanam tava, I have said, and I shall do it. Life is full of events. Time is endless. Space is infinite. Every event is a combination of cause and effect and future cause for the future effect. And in this, every event has to be properly accepted. We must properly have an attitude towards it and involve ourselves as jnanis, as Raja Yogis of determination, as devotees of total surrender, as Karma Yogis of work for the sake of work. May we now meditate on the great yogis, Sri Krishna, Bhishma and Arjuna. Asato ma satgama सुखिनः सर्वे